Welcome sa inJoy, ang partner ng pamilya sa negosyo at tupad pangarap ng Pilipino. Hi inJoypreneurs! Feel na rin ba ang summer? Today, since na-share na namin sa inyo ang 3 easy recipes using inJoy Scramble, ngayon naman, share namin sa inyo ang talagang nakakatakam na halo-halo recipe using inJoy Ube Scramble. Pwede pala yun, di ba? Try nyo na rin kasi talagang nakakagulat na lasang-lasa niya ang ice cream. So without further ado, let's start. First, we need crushed ice and our inJoy Scramble. For 1 pack, we need 6 kilos of crushed ice. Next, pour lang natin ang ating inJoy Ube Scramble. Use hand mixer for at least 3 to 4 minutes or until foamy na ang mixture like this. Makikita niyo na talaga ang pag-alsa niya para ma-achieve ang perfect texture ng scramble. Let's set aside our scramble and crushed ice mixture and prepare all the toppings needed for our halo-halo. Now let's prepare our halo-halo using inJoy Scramble. And that's it, inJoypreneurs. Easy lang, di ba? New recipe for your business na talagang patok na patok ngayong summer. Just comment below if you have any suggestions or recommendation for our next video. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more recipe. You can also follow us on our Facebook page at inJoy Philippines for more updates. Thanks for watching. Bye!